My butt is limping. I'm so sore. Good morning, guys. It is currently 4:38 a.m. and we're headed to the airport for our international flight to Canada. And then the last time I went was like Good morning, guys. We are now at our Good morning, guys. We're now at our gate, SFO, and we're headed to Calgary. It's only a 2-hour flight, 2.5-hour flight, so not bad. You lost. My eyes were in. Hey guys, we've landed. It's like 11 a.m. here. It's 1 hour ahead. But you know, we're gonna go catch our little bus to our secret hotel.
We lead the group, make it to the North America, and they tour in at the Central Canada.
Made it to our hotel. We've gotten into Banff and we're gonna eat at this Vietnamese restaurant and we'll see how good it is. How excited are you for this pho? I've been hungover for days. Oh. Guys, I literally feel like my lashes are gonna fly away because it's so windy. Guys, this looks amazing. I'm so hungry. Here's Sarah's first bite. 어때요?
The noodles are thick.
Out of 10.
I don't know, everything tastes really good.
Ooh, the technique. I like how thick the noodles are.
Yeah, I know, that's what I was thinking. I was like, I feel like Kayla would like these.
Gosh, look at this gift shop. So cute. I just picked up these postcards. We just got back to the hotel. Oh my god, room. What?
Wait, why is it so cute?
It's so cute. This is the room. We have our bathroom right here. Wow. And then this is the room immediately. Plaid walls. Squirrel on the wall. That's probably my favorite part. And then we have this little nightstand and a desk. Yippee! We are now out on our first excursion. Going on a little walk, hopefully to catch the sunset, but it's a bit overcast. So we don't really know if we're gonna be able to see anything, but. We're literally right next to the train tracks. Crazy. Yay! We've made it to our first trail. This is kind of what it feels like to walk through UCSC.
No fun.
Oh, the water looks so crazy. Aww. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Some dirt. Some dirt.
We made it to the drop point. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Ooh. Skipping rock. Ooh. We out here in the wilderness. So crazy. It's wild out here. Wet and oh, wait, these are so cute.
That's not a dirk though, right? What is that?
Guys, we literally are getting caught in the freaking rain. Protecting the pizza. It's actually, bro, it only said 35% chance and here we are, battling the elements. What? Okay, we literally got soaked unexpectedly, but here's our pizza and we're gonna eat it right now because we're very hungry. Good morning, guys. We just read the forecast and it's supposed to rain for the rest of the time that we're here. Nice. Okay, guys. So apparently the tap water is delicious. So I will be filling my water backpack with that sink water. Close it up. Yay. This is the outfit. We're wearing the Lululemon zip up, and we have North Face jacket, and then we're wearing purple Columbia pants and my backpack. This is Miss Sarah's Gorpcore outfit.
Wait, dude, why do I look like a legit hiker?
We made it outside, hoping that we make the bus. It's quite dreary today. Unfortunate. I've gotten a bacon breakfast sandwich and Sarah got latte and also bacon breakfast sandwich. Delicious, just like Starbucks. That's pretty good.
Yeah, you can purchase on the bus. If you purchase.
We've made it to the Johnston Trail. Whoa! Guys, my jacket has already come off. It's much too hot and much too sunny to be wearing a North Face jacket. But now Sarah and I look like posers with our Lulu. Anyways, this is like 3/4 of a mile so far. Oh boy, here we go. So cute! Oh! Look how high up we are. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Wow.
What is happening?
The trees are so pretty.
This looks so fake. This is fake, isn't it?
It is.
Hey guys, you can lift it up. You can lift it up now.
It literally looks like a Microsoft wallpaper.
It does.
Crazy. We're pretty far in. Look how pretty. Insane views out here. We've arrived at our destination. This is insane. True. Come with us on an adventure to a super underground spot that no one really knows. And
It's actually kind of underground.
we're actually the ones discovering it. Yeah, the trail indicates that like no one has ever been here ever before. Original like that. Guys, we've made it down to the water. Do a touch test.
How cold?
Holy snaps, it's cold. Paint the rock.
Oh my god.
Let's rate the dehydration of this rock. Ooh, I feel like she's not that thirsty.
I mean, she's literally sitting in the water.
Yeah.
Wait, this water
8
is
out of 10.
crisp.
This is so crisp. Like, I feel like I could drink this.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And it's so clear.
Oh my god.
Beautiful. Whoa, these people made a bridge. That's so cool. Wow. Hi guys, we're in the wilderness and I'm gonna be trying to build a rock tower. Oh, I see it. It stood earlier. Funny story. Oh! I got it, guys. Yippee! I wish. Yeah, that's my wish. We've made more. And now Sarah is trying to skip more rocks. So pretty. I've been to Yosemite and like, it was really nice, but literally nothing can compare to the views here. Like, I feel like the camera doesn't do it justice, but the water is so clear and there's so much. Like at Yosemite it's like super dry, and here it's still super lush even in the summertime. I love it. Would come back again for surely. We are now headed back on our trail, and it was all uphill before, so now we're going downhill, and I feel like a mountain goat. There's Sarah. Woo woo! We did it! Yay! Yeah, this literally looks like Portland. The overcast. Guys, we've just finished our 7-mile hike. Feeling great. How are you feeling?
So good. I need a pee.
Me too. We made it back to Banff Town and we got chicken Alfredo and feta mac and cheese. This is our very meager lunch.
Why do I feel like unwell?
Oh, you're a little tired. And then now we're headed to, where are we headed to?
Cave and Basin.
Cave and Basin. It looks really cute, like a little activity. Guys, our bus driver like saw that we were like looking at the stop and like, wow, now we get to take pictures here. We made it to this trail, but guys, like literally it smells so so bad.
Sulfur is real stinky.
Not expecting that. Anyways, let's embark on this wonderful journey. Guys, this thing smells crazy. Also, it started raining. Here's our complimentary club soda. In a turn of events, we had ordered more. We're having an instant noodle dinner. Good morning. It's 6:20. We've gotten ready for the day and we're gonna go try to catch that bus to Lake Louise. No time for coffee, so we picked these up the other day and this is our little pick-me-up. Whoa, we're waiting for the bus. We just got off of the bus and we're at Lake Louise. Look at this. Wow. It's gonna look so different once the fog. We are embarking on our journey. We're almost to the top, but it's still very cloudy. But hopefully it clears up before we leave. We made it to the top and we got Subway yesterday, so we're eating that. It's really, really delicious. Guys, the fog is moving so fast.
What the fuck?
All of a sudden we can see, like just a second ago, couldn't see anything.
Literally, like white sky.
Oh my gosh.
This is so crazy. It's like the image is clearing up before us.
What are you seeing?
Well, I'm focusing it first. Hey, look at the mountain.
Guys, we're literally like in the sky right now. Also, the clouds have been going down a lot more, so hopefully we can see the water soon. When we're not hiking though, it gets super cold. Freezing.
Yay! I can see all obstacles in my way.
You can see like ice over there. It's so cold. Yay! Oh my gosh. We've been waiting an hour for this. Guys, this is so sick. We get to see what we came for. The clouds are moving in already, but we can see the Fairmont now. Wow. I have a newly discovered fear of heights, but it's very pretty. Like this watercolor is not real. Like there's no filter and it's bright blue. Wow.
Real thing I've ever seen.
This is so crazy.
It's really
It's super duper pretty. I would definitely come back. Definitely recommend as well. That's Mirror Lake that we were at earlier. Wow. We're now on the descent and we're gonna stop by Lake Agnes. Here's Lake Agnes, everyone. Ooh. Ooh.
two.
This is Lake Agnes. It's a lot less underwhelming than we thought it would be. And there's a lot of like little chipmunks and like mice and stuff. They're super cute. So cute. We made it back to the bottom. I'm so tired. Hey Siri, play Louise by TV Girl. Wake up, we got places to see. In an hour. Hi guys, we're now at another lake. It's called Lake Moraine, which is also like really big. It started to sprinkle again. Hopefully it doesn't full on rain, but you know our luck. Walk. Oh yeah, our butt.
I'm really limping.
I'm so sore. Oh Oh my gosh, that ride was like low-key longer than we thought it'd be. And we got kind of stiff. But you know, we're not gonna be here that long. That's okay. See you at the lake. What you know about rock pile? We just made it a rock pile, and this water blue is like more of like a blue than a turquoise. It's pretty cool. Thank you. We made it to the very top of the rock pot. Oh my god. And it's raining, but vibes. A 10-minute trip to Lake Marine is a success. Even though we're Yet another rainy day. Today is actually the most rainy day, so we don't have a lot planned. We got like all of the main hikes that we wanted to out of the way, so we're just gonna explore the downtown area. Early morning vodka. We come to this place called Farm and something, and we're here for breakfast. I got the classic breakfast and Sarah got the eggs benedict. Very excited. We just finished brunch and now we're headed to another sightseeing spot. Lots of pretty flowers.
These Banff kids don't know
how good they have it. Oh! Anyways. Yeah. Guys, this park is so pretty.
I love her.
I would love this park in like San Francisco or something. It would be so soothing. We're under this little overhang. So cute. This is literally as big as my face. I'm gonna take a bite. Take a bite. Mmm. Oh, good. Yeah. We've now come to dinner. Here's our little Mark pizza. We came out to McDonald's for like a little snack, but literally look how delectable these chickens are. I've never seen a McChicken look this delicious. Last morning in Banff, and we are going to go get some breakfast. Our shuttle comes at like 11 or 10:20, so we need to be ready for that. I got a matcha latte and we're gonna try it. It's not very strong. It tastes good. We just checked out. Bye bye.